Hey, it's summer again. Today I invite my partner Lily. She will host the live show with me together.
Hello everyone, I'm Lily. I'm so excited to bring you guys to the live show. I'm full of passion and like to ask why. Sometimes I will be a little bit mean about facts, but I will try my best to be more strict. And we also want to know what you are thinking, so tell me your opinions.
Thank you, Lily. Well, I'm more peaceful for things and will analyze the facts objectively. Also, I will take you to visit the factory, so if you have any questions, please leave us a comment below about everything.
Keep following us for the update. We are waiting for you.
Bye bye!